Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chantil signing in. As you can see, my face is a little fat because I got my wisdom teeth pulled out. This is just one of them, but I've gotten four. They actually have the slice to one of them. I have a half of one right here. It hurts for probably about 4 days. And it's still swollen. Look at my face. Look at the stitches are still in there. They're gonna take them out Tuesday. And I have an interview Monday to volunteer. And then after that I have to go to a school so that I can apply um for the GED program that I'm supposed to get in. Okay? So I'm all messed up in the mouth. Looks like I have something in my mouth, but honestly I have nothing in my mouth. Nothing at all. But it hurts so bad. So I take Vicodin. Don't worry, it's not really that many, but there was probably about 30 of them. And it's some good shit. It's awesome. It makes you drowsy, makes you go to sleep. And that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to sleep the whole thing off. That's how much pain I was in for like 2.5 days. I wasn't that much pain. But like after a while, it stopped being so much. It wasn't as painful. So like every time I talk, I don't open my mouth all the way because it hurts, like really, really bad. So, and I got plenty of rest. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I got so much rest. Like next week, I already know it's probably gonna be hell because anytime I get a lot of rest, I normally end up getting hell put on me the next week. So I'm prepared for it, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna succeed in something, and whatever I succeed in, I'm gonna take that as an accomplishment. You know what I mean? Most likely I'll get applied to this class, which would be really great. Anyway, so I'm really happy that I'm done with this wisdom teeth pulling. My teeth have gotten so much better. If I could show you the before and after pictures, you'd be like, that's pretty good. I wish I had before and after pictures, but I don't. Everything's coming together for me right now, but I told you it's like temporary, because after this, I already know it's going to be hell. So I'm enjoying all the time that I can to be happy and peaceful and relaxed and all that stuff, because as soon as it's time, I'm going to go out and get my butt kicked. Anyway, Tashana, I wanted to tell you that I have made more videos than you. Wow! I am a gangster because you're the one who's on the internet all the time, and you're the one nagging me about how I should always make another video. Guess what? I made 25, you made 23, I think. It was 23. So, ha! I beat you. Because I'm a gangster. You're not. And Deanna, dang. You're not even in the running anymore. You're like 500 videos behind me and Tashana. That's a darn shame. And Tiffany and Emma and all the other people, whatever, you guys can go off and live your little lives while we're over here making videos for you guys. I hope you guys are happy. Anyway, so you know what, you guys, wish me luck. I love you guys, and I'm wishing the best for you guys. I'm going to get to where I need to be, and if you guys aren't there yet, guess what? I'm going to be a helping hand. I love you guys so much, and I hope the best for you guys. Peace out.